is a question on limits chapter, limits and continuity. So we are given an expression and we have to show that the limit exists only for a particular value of k, where k is something in the numerator, and then you have to use the L'Hopital rule to show that the value of the limit is minus 1.1 by 4. So let us try to solve the A part. In the A part, the expression is limit x tending to 0, tan inverse of arctan cos x minus k divided by x square. So you can see as x is tending to 0, the denominator is tending to 0. So this must 0 by 0 form for limit to exist. Now for limit to exist, the numerator must also tend towards 0. So tan inverse cos x minus k must tend towards 0 as limit x is tending to 0. So you can see as limit x is tending to 0, cos x will be tending to 1. So it will become tan inverse tending to 1 minus k. Now we have to equate this to 0. So k will be equals to tan inverse 1. So this, as you all know, is pi by 4. So we must understand that the value of k must be pi by 4 for limits to exist. Now putting the value of k as pi by 4, we will get tan inverse cos x minus pi by 4 divided by x square. Now we have to use L'Hopital rule to identify the limit. The L'Hopital rule says f(x) by gx for x tending towards 0 or maybe towards 0 is same as limit x tending towards 0 f dash x divided by g dash x. So using this we will say limit x tending to 0. In this case, please note fx and gx must be tending towards 0 when x is tending towards 0. So that is true in this case also. So we will differentiate the numerator, which will be 1 by differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus cos square x into derivative of cos x, that is minus sin x. We have applied chain rule. Divide by the denominator is differentiated, which is 2x. The differentiation of constant is 0. So this will be limit x tending to 0 minus sin x divided by 2x into 1 plus cos square x. Now in this question you can see that it is forming 0 by 0 because at x tending to 0 this will be tending to 0 and denominator is also tending to 0. So we can again apply the L'Hopital rule. Differentiating the numerator we will get minus cos x, and then differentiating the denominator using product rule we will get 2 into 1 plus cos square x plus 2x into 2 cos x into minus sin x. Now let us try to see what is we are getting when x is tending to 0. When x is tending to 0, this term will be tending towards 1 and then with the negative sign. And in denominator, this term will be tending towards 4 and this term will be tending towards 0. So what we are getting is minus 1 by 4. So this is your limit. And for more such questions and their detailed explanations, keep visiting our website itnacademy.com and register for detailed explanations and